Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day number 10 of our February daily math. Number 1 says, Happy Valentine's Day. How much are these 18 tiles worth in all? So let's count our fours. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 fours. So there's 4 fours. Our threes, there are 1, 2. There are 2 threes. Any twos? There's 1, 2. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. Okay, so 4 times 4 equals, and I'll go over here by monkey shines. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 11 times 1 is 11. Now if we combine all of these, 1, 2, 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1, 2, 3. So our tiles are worth 35 points in all. Number 2, if you picked up 1/2 of these 18 tiles, how many tiles would you have in your hand? So there's 18 tiles total. Okay? And you picked up half of them. 18 divided by 2, very good. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So how many tiles? You'd have 9 tiles. Nice job. If you picked up 1/3 of these 18 tiles, how many tiles would you have in your hand? So again, we're going to divide it by 3. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Very good. 6 tiles. Awesome. All right. Less than, greater than, or equal to. We have half of a number or 1/3 of the same number. Well, let's think about that. We just had the number 18, for example. We took half of that number, and it was 9. Okay? And 1/3 of that same number, so 18, 1/3 of that was 6. So, less than, greater than, 1/2 is greater than 1/3 of the same number. All right, split each object into halves and thirds. Color 1/2 and color 1/3 each. So a half of this and 1/3. Half of the basketball. The thirds are a little bit more tricky there, but it goes kind of about like that. 3 equal pieces. Half of this rectangle, and a third. Okay, so we're going to color a half, color the half, color the half. Now we're going to go to the thirds. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. All right, boys and girls, great job on that. We'll see you tomorrow for day 11.